Okay, hi you guys. I decided to make a video, so please just bear with me. I'm trying to do it as best as possible just to give you a bit of more realistic classroom situation. The map that you are seeing in front of you is a topographical map. And I think this is the map that you guys will find the most tricky. You'll see the topographical map has a lot of colors. It's got blue, it's got green, it's got there's a blue road, there's a red line, and on this map you'll get loads of information to use. When you look at the map, you'll see at the top there's a name. Now we're first going to do the topographical, and then during the week I will get to you the author photo and everything. Now on this side you will see it says 2930 AC Howick, and on the opposite side you will see it is 1 to 50,000, and that is your map scale. That is how many times it's been made smaller. So in this case it's made 50,000 times smaller. At the bottom of this you will see there are I call it your cheat sheet, but it's on all the maps. You will have references on this side and on the other side. Then I'm going to try and get a bit more close. Not sure if I can. No, I think that's the best. You'll see this is the magnetic declination. Look out for the little arrow. That's where we're going to do the magnetic declination. And this block that we have here goes with the name of the map that we have at the top. So when you look at this this code, you are going to use this block in the shorter questions. Okay, but what does this name mean? The 2930 Howick. Not all of you are aware of it, so I just want to make sure that you do understand. 2930 AC Howick. Howick is the town that we are the closest to. Okay. When you look at these numbers, it's indicating to you the latitude and the longitude. Remember, longitude is long, so it's a line that goes from the top to the bottom. It's long. Latitude and A, it's small and fat, so it is on the horizontal line. So 29 is your latitude. That would usually on the maps that you guys are getting will be south. And the 30 is your longitude, and that will be east. All South African maps are south and east. Now we go to the AC part. Okay. Now the AC part is actually just a block that you have. And in this block, you have the letters A, B, C, and D. Looking at this, you must remember that if you are more than one kid, there's always the youngest and there's always the oldest. In Afrikaans, you will talk about the kleinste and the grootste. Now, the biggest is always first in line. When you have to stand from small to large, large is usually in front. Okay, so when we look at the biggest, we look at the biggest block. All of these blocks are divided in four smaller blocks. Looking at A, we are only going to work in block A. And this is also called A, B, C, D. And when we see C, that's the smaller block, we know, okay, this whole map is actually that part. So that is where it is coming from. If you look back to this one, you will see, if you take a closer look, if you go above, you have 2930 AA, 2930 AB, 2930 AC, and when you look at your drawing, you will see there's A, B, C, D. Okay, so it's just to give you an indication. What you also can see on this thing is the province. It says there in the middle KwaZulu-Natal, or there will be an info part that will tell you in which province this is. You don't have to know it out of your head. Usually it is there for you to read from.